You guys ever experience something like that? Your ramps slip out because they're not secured. You don't have your, say they don't have straps with them. Well, anyways, we get this Clamp a ramp safety bar. We're gonna be trying out today. Just got it in the mail. So let's check it out and install it and see how good it works. All right, so we will go ahead, open this package up, see what's inside. Okay, we got an aluminum bar. Instructions, yes, bracket installation right here. If you guys want to check these out, you can visit clamparamp.com. We'll go ahead and unpackage the hardware that comes with it. Get that out of the way. Pull our ramps up here. These are trifold ramps. Use trifold or the regular single ramp. Okay, so what we're gonna need for this installation is a 7/16 ratchet, 7/16 wrench, a 3/8 drill bit and a drill, and a couple of Phillips screwdrivers. So the first thing you're going to want to do is identify which of these bushings or nuts you need for your vehicle. Toyota gets these yellow nuts. The white bushings are GMC, Chevy. Red bushings are Dodge Ram, which is what we're using. Blue bushings are Ford. So you're going to take your bolt, take your washer, take your bushing. Thread it through. Bushings on the inside. Just like this. Put your washer and your lock nut. We're just going to start these for now because I think we're going to have to do the adjustment here. Same thing here. Bolt, washer, bushing. This around here. Bushing goes on the inside. Washer, nut. I'm just going to tighten this down a little bit, see what we got here. Click it in. We're going to take these brackets. So once you get that close, I'd make sure you got a little play, and we can mark it with our marker in the center of our ramp. We'll do the same thing on the other side. Once we get that done, we will go ahead and drill through our ramps with our 3/8 drill bit. Do the same thing on the other side. Now what we got to do is take our barrel screws. You know, Phillips you can only get so tight. I'd recommend using Loctite. Okay, so what I encountered here is my ramp. The end of my ramp is actually too thick for these little bolts, so you just need to get yourself some longer bolts. So I had a few lying around. We're gonna go ahead and install this now. Okay, go ahead and tighten that thing there. Do the same thing to the other side. There, we get that all installed properly. These ramps aren't going anywhere. Now these two brackets would be in case you see I got the trifold, so you really only need 2 of these. You could install more if you wanted, but these are for the separate ramps. So you got one here, one there. You'd want one on each end here. So you would just do all 4, 2 on each ramp, and you'd be all set. Let's try it out, see how it works. like that. They work how they should.